Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Meesho and confirming your account is fully verified. This matters because unverified accounts can't claim some rewards. Once done, go straight to offers or rewards to spot gift card campaigns and read eligibility terms. Make sure your app is updated so new campaigns are visible, and confirm your default payment method. These small checks prevent errors when you claim or check out. Now you're ready to engage with the active gift card options. You must follow campaign rules precisely, otherwise the claim fails. First, read the terms for minimum cart value and eligible categories, because adding the wrong item wastes time. Then add qualifying products and either enter the promo code at checkout or tap Claim on the Offer page. This registers your interest. If the offer requires sharing, following, or a designated payment method, do those steps now. These prerequisites trigger the gift card issuance once the order is confirmed. You finish by paying and placing the order, then immediately check order details for reward status. Many campaigns mark progress there. Once confirmed, the gift card lands in your Meesho wallet or appears as a promo code to apply at next checkout. Follow the redemption instructions exactly. If the gift card doesn't arrive, contact Meesho support with your order ID and screenshots of the offer and payment. This evidence speeds resolution and helps recover or validate the reward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.